Beautiful cattle farm and forest with waterfalls of 280 acres available for sale. Planted with excellent grass. 1 hour away from Jaco Beach, Costa Rica. Enjoyed the beautiful weather and scenery of the wild fauna of this special place. This gorgeous farm offers the best supreme serenity, abundant water and views of the ocean. Agricultural and farming are all possible due to the topography of the terrain with lots of rolling hills. Its fertile soil makes a heaven and earth type of property. With many spring water sources throughout the entire farm, lots of cascades and waterfalls, with a road in good condition, electricity is at 1.5 kilometer away, there is no construction yet on the property. With a small under-roof corral, this land can hold up to 140 cows at any time. Don't let go this unique one-of-kind property. Due to the many ocean view areas on this farm, it makes suitable for a low-density development with parcels and houses with ocean view.